the U.S. develops an invisible drone that will change warfare technology. Because it will be invisible, it will sneak up on the enemy without the enemy realizing it, of course. We know that we have other countries that are developing drones so tiny, they are as tiny as mosquitoes. In other words, they can come in through their screen door, the screen. Insects that are small enough to go through a screen enter a building and take videos or images of what they see in there and send it back to some kind of a headquarter area where the headquarter staff know what to do, what's in there, and who is in there. So you can understand these tiny drones, how dangerous they can be. Now in this case, we're talking about an invisible drone that can change the future of warfare technology. The invisibility cloak of it basically makes it look as if it's a smudge in the area. So if you're not intensely looking to scrutinize whatever you're looking at, you may just bypass it with a glance and not realize that it's there. Scientists from Northwestern University unveiled their invisible drones, and that will change the future of warfare technology as we know. They name it Phantom Twist. It spins so fast, it becomes invisible to human eye and sneaks up on the enemy. Now, they developed this, they invented this drone, revealing it through the invisibility, spinning 25 times per second. Too fast for the human eye to catch easily, 10 times less visible than conventional quadcopter that we see here, for example. And scientists say that its ghostly smudge makes it blend into the background, this phantom twist. The developer is Michael Rubenstein, and he said other competitive products have tried hiding drones by making them look like their surroundings. Instead, we asked whether we could design a drone itself around the way humans perceive motion. The Phantom Twist was designed with an automatic system. Researchers used computers to generate 20,000 configurations, and then AI was used to test the arrangement of the components, and one design meeting, all the criteria was finally developed. But there are some limitations to this Phantom Twist, and the Phantom Twist limitation is that it makes a lot of noise. So obviously you may not see it, but you may hear that it sounds like a quadcopter around you. I'm sorry to be laughing, but okay, if they can get rid of that limitation, the sound, then it would be successful, I would imagine. So this is from Geo News. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.